scenarios analysis and goal seek. Consolidating data consolidation allows to gather data from separate worksheets to master worksheet. In simple term, it creates for you a master table where you can access data summarized in summarized form from other sheets. Steps to be required for the consolidating data: select data menu, select consolidated menu, select the range from the different sheets, add this data range, give the range where the consolidated data to be displayed, and press the OK button. Now practical implementation. Now the practical implementation of the consolidating the data. Now there is one company, and which in for that company is having the three offices: Office A, Office B, and Office C, and they keeps data in the different sheets of the drink consumption of drink in different sheets, that is the Office A, Office B, and Office C. So the different months are there, and these are the different days: juice, coffee, and milk. So in the Office A, this is the data. Office B having the separate set of data, and Office C. Now I have to consolidate all these data in a one sheet. That is, I want to find the summation of all the offices consumption of juice, coffee, and milk. That is the three offices summation. So we can do this by first select the data, then consolidate it, and then select the range. So Office A range is this one, and then add this data. Add. Next we have to add another data. Then go to the Office B and select the source there, and then add this data. So then go to the Office C, and then again select the range and add. Now after adding all this data, we have to give some information, that is where to give the row levels. I want to give the row levels also there, and column levels also want to give the, and where I have to show it. So for displaying the information, suppose I want to display the information here. Now press the OK button. You can see that this here you can get the information regarding the consumption of the juice, coffee, and milk for all the offices. That is the summation of all the offices juice. So the Office A consists of 1000 juice, and then Office B 900, and Office C 1000. And now you can see that this is the addition. So 1000 plus 900. So this is the consolidation. You can do the maximum, minimum, and different types of function. So this is the implementation of the consolidation of data